everybody, Denny here. Let's head on over to easel and start working on the foreground in our painting, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we go. Now today, we're going to just amend some of our color down here. We've got to have a kind of a gray, blue, pink. And it has taken a few minutes to get that. And it's red and I've got some purple in it, and just experimenting to get it down to that color right there. That's the color that we're looking for. Now I'm putting it on what looks like a little thick right here, but you got to remember that it's going to dry lighter than it looks when it goes on. So you got to kind of put it on just a little bit more intense. And then as it dries, it will go down to what you're looking for. Just like that. And we're just going to put just a little swipe or two up here in the sky too. Just what this does is this ties the painting together. And that's what we're looking for. Okay, so we'll shoot a little of that up in the sky, just like that. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to let it dry because it's too wet to work on. Now I can take my little rag and I can go through here and I can move stuff around just like that. And it looks good. Now tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to start putting a little bit of underbrush in, kind of flicking it up like that. See? Just like that. But that's a tomorrow thing, all right? So be with me tomorrow and we'll work on our painting some more, okay? Thank you for being here today. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, comment, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Not too bad at all. Tomorrow, I think we just might finish this up. So be with me tomorrow. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.